Ako natuto.
Alam
Ay,
mo na
yun pala
Ay,
yun.
ang ganda. Thank you, Jess.
Thank you, Jess.
You.
Happy birthday.
Thank you,
Happy birthday
Jess.
sa gift.
Yun,
Yan pala
o, diba?
yun.
Ang laki ng uso.
Thank you, Jess. Ano?
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sino yun?
Wow.
O, diba? Wow. Thank you, Isa.
Akala ko kung ano yung malaking nguso. Yung pala
Thank
yun.
you, Isa.
Uy.
Oh, ngayon ko lang naalaman. Ay, iniisip ko kanina, may ano ba? May malaking nguso ba sa ano?
Ate
Oh,
Tinay,
Isa,
alam mo ba
tapos
Ate Tinay,
na.
umabot yun ng ano? Ate Tinay, umabot yun ng 70.
Wow.
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 Thank you, Charlene.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Thank
Tinay.
you. Nanalo si... Sino na? Si?
Si Tinay.
Si Tinay.
Nung
Thank
sinabi
you.
mo, Ate Tinay, nung sinabi mo, ibigay mo na lang yung malaking nguso, 50 na lang yun.
Tapos, nanalo ka pa ulit? Gift yun ah.
Hindi. Di ba nagsabi ka?
Sabi niya
Di ba sabi
ipapawas
mo,
niya 50.
di ba
Oo,
sabi mo yan
tapos,
na lang?
naglaro ka, di ba? Nilaro
Ibigay.
mo ulit.
O,
Tapos
ibigay
sabi
na lang
niya,
yung
ibigay
malaking
na lang.
nguso. Umabot yun ng 80.
Wow.
Wow.
Ang galing.
Ay, may balik din pala yun.
May balik
May balik
din.
ba yung nguso?
Hindi. Yung naghagis pa ako
Wala.
ng grape.
Yes, ang laki ng balik sa grapes, no?
Oo.
Kaya nga. 2-4.
20, 10, 16. Ang lalaki ng balik.
Si
Pag
isang
naghagis
lalaki
ka
din
nun,
ang balik
bihira
ko.
lang yung balik. O may balik din.
May balik talaga, balog. Pero may time na wala.
Ah.
Depende sa oras. Hindi man lang nag-aliluya, Jess, no? Sayang. Ang
Sayang.
lalaki ng balik talaga yun. May 20k pa.
Ano ba yung bali, Ate Len?
Ako laging talo dyan sa bali.
Uy, parang ang laki na Ate Len. Mukhang imamay-day na naman natin yung ulo natin. An-an, alam na An-an. I-post na yan, An-an. Kaya nga eh. Wow, great. Laki yung 23.
Putik ka, Jess. May sumasabay ka? Walang iya ka.
Nauna ako sa'yo, Ate Tinay.
Nauna ako sa'yo. Laki ng talo
Ayan,
ko
si
to.
Jess
Panalo
muna.
na ako
Balog, si Jess
natalo
muna.
pa.
Kanina pa ako naghahagis, gagi.
Umistep ka, di ba? Pagkatapos kaya ni Isa, nagagis ako.
Inantay ko muna si Isa.
Siguro
Sabay
nagsabay
pala tayo.
kayo. Oo, nagsabay.
O sige, mauna ka na.
Ayoko na, natalo na eh. Hinatak mo na eh. Hinatak
Alam
ng
na.
grapes.
O, alam na, Ate Len. Game na, Ate Len. O, ako muna ah.
O, dali.
Yun,
Laki ng
1-1.
balik ka. $14,000. Yun ang nakita ko. Kala ko sa hagis.
Uy, bawal mag-ano.
Hindi
Uy,
nakatiis Ate Lynn.
47, no? Ang laki ng tama ko dyan, Umabot ng 47. Hindi. Yung balik ba?
Design from Japan. Emperor Showa was given it by the grandson of the former emperor Murata. Murata? Yeah. You're laughing, yeah? And he himself got it from people that asked him in Burma when he was exiled.
Ba, nag-a-upload si Balugs.
Oo, wala.
If I had the provenance on paper, I'd be at a Christie's with my, but this is your lucky day. Is it? Alan, what am I talking about? Flirting with the customer? I'm not flirting. I'm just naturally charismatic. I was not flirting. I'm sorry. Big smiles, nice and casual. Right, well, I'm pleased to say we're in a position. That's a shame. It's a terrible thing.
Oh.
All right, fair enough. Find out.
Sa akin, Isa. Magkano, Isa? Bagsak mo. Isa, sa akin may trade. Magkano? O sige, bagsak mo.
Now the price is eight. Oi. For just such occasion. You bought me tires.
Bagsak mo, Isa.
That is hot coffee.
Yan lang. Dali lang, kuya. Wait lang. Okay.
Pahingi daw ayuda, kapatid.
Nagagis ako eh. Okay. Aray ko, ang sakit mo ko.
Do you know Louvain? Have you been attending it?
Ina, isan dito yung 20K. Ate Tinay, meron bang 20K dito?
Wala, dalawang labdal mo na lang. Dalawang labdal na lang, Anan.
Ay, itong butterfly, no? Pwede.
Ay, ito, butterfly tsaka sucker. Yung sucker, sucker na lang. O kaya yung diamond ring. May 20K pala. Kaya ko lang din pinunan.
Ay, usugin maayos, kuya. Ano yun?
Trade yun, Balugs.
Nakakagulat balog sa yun.
Trade yun.
Okay. Ako magpa-trading ako.
Nasend ko na, Ate Tina.
Okay,
Ako
yan ang
din.
challenge. Magkano, Balugs? Okay na, Isa. Thank you. Balugs, magkano trade mo?
Teka lang. Wait lang. Tapusin ko lang to.
Busin mo lang yan?
Hindi, nananalo kasi ako kanina. Yan,
Kala
wait
ko
lang.
busin mo eh.
Di, oh. Oh, nananalo ko eh.
Sige, tuloy mo lang. Wow, may pa-diamond na si Balugs.
Ay, nabawi.
May lamok.
So what are you doing on my phone? I'm looking for a man named Brent. Regularly? No, get off. Please, wait. Just listen. Okay, let's go. I'm not here to make any trouble. Hey, hold on, hey. Could you please put that gun down and just... For God's sake. My father, Richard Crook, tried to buy a boat from you. No, not me. Your name is Luke Brown. This is yes, I know my name, please. It's the same as my father's and you, man. Oh. Well, then I need to talk to him. You would have had other people even. I don't know, okay? One day he just left on his boat and I never saw him again, alright? This is 7 years ago. I think I know where they went. I'll dance. To the bottom of the sea. There was never identified them. Someone who could try. Used to be called Valentine. And find out what happened. Look, there's at least 6,000 islands off the coast of Japan, hardly any of them are populated. Well, I have a map. Now all I need to do is to figure out what these are. I think these are coordinates. The location.
Yan na. Balugs.
Oh,
Trade
Ano?
ako.
magkano?
Wait lang.